Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to recover Shopee account without email and phone number. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, you might be wondering how to exactly recover your account or Shopee account here without the use of any email or phone number. Well, there are a few things that you may need to understand. So, usually your phone number as well as your email is what we call the ID or the identifier or the, let's just say, the anchor for your account. So if you've used an email address to sign up with a Shopee account, you need to use that email address. Or if you use a phone number to sign up with your Shopee account, you just need to use that number to log in. But then again, as long as you still have access to one of them, you should be able to log in. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and just type in the following. It's going to be shopee.com or .ph or .co.in ID. Depends on what region you want to access Shopee from. But in here, you want to go and click on the profile icon at the top right of your screen. Now from here, you have the login page. Now it's going to ask you to either enter your phone, your email, and if you know your username, you could go ahead and just enter your username instead. So there are three ways to log in. So if you don't have access to your phone or email address, if you still remember your username, by the way, if you don't know your username, you can actually check your email address or your Gmail or whatever mailing account you currently have right now. Check your inbox and see if you can actually look for your username around there. And you could just enter your username here and click and enter your password, and you should be able to log in. Now, just in case you don't have access to your phone number, email, or username in here, you go and click on the login with phone number at the bottom right here. So I'm going to select that one. Now, it's going to ask you to provide your phone number. Now, again, like what I said, if you still have access to your phone number or your email address here, you should still be able to recover your account. Now, if you don't have both of those details, well, in this case, it's going to be really hard. Now, Shopee here really protects your account. So without either one, phone number or email address, you won't be able to log in. But if you are, or if you've actually connected your Shopee account to a Facebook or Google account here, you'll have the option to log in via Facebook or Google. So if you click on one of them, like for example, log in with Google, it should give you the option to choose or just choose a Google account in here. Now, if you do recognize one of the email addresses here as your own, you can go and select that and you should be able to log in very easily. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.